The car manufacturers believe that they're seeing on the neighborhood of 30 or 40% reduction in maintenance expenses. The hope is that with commercial vehicles that will also hold true. The electrified vehicle powertrain has many fewer moving parts than a typical IC engine transmission powertrain. As a result of that, there are fewer things that can cause mechanical failures.
You've removed some of the engine components, the after-treatment systems, so that will help to reduce the maintenance associated with it. It's still a truck, it's still performing mileage, so you have to take care of the rest of the chassis and the other moving components like any other maintenance program.
The electric box truck is a great duty cycle for electrification. The uptime for this particular vehicle has been really solid, very good reliability for us. It's been on daily routes 5 days a week.
The nature of the drive cycle, the pickup and delivery cycle, is very much aligned to how battery electric systems operate. We're up around 99% uptime on the vehicle, and it really is leveraging the fact that we have an existing platform. It's demonstrating that it can be used on different applications, and it's available.
Penske knows what they're doing when it comes to maintenance, right? When they offer a full service maintenance lease, if the maintenance isn't cost effective, that really cuts into their business model. So they are experts when it comes to that. One of the early things we did with Penske was we brought them into the development process, showed them Innovation Fleet, showed them what we were designing for series production, and said, what are your thoughts? And they gave us some really candid, good feedback.
The biggest areas where they're going to save in maintenance is there's no more engine oil changes, there are no more transmission oil changes. Even though our current product has a transmission in it, the oil doesn't need to be changed on a frequency that our diesel products do. The after-treatment systems alone, they can get costly over the years. If they cannot do regens at the right time, replacing a DPF in a truck is time-consuming and costly. So you can eliminate that concern.
One of the things that we need to focus on in the future is working with the organizations that are developing standards. The Technology and Maintenance Council of the ATA, the Society of Automotive Engineers, IEEE, and others that are developing standards for the various components of these systems to operate together efficiently. There are a lot of those standards that are not developed yet, certainly are not implemented. And ultimately, once those standards are there, it will help in the maintenance and uptime for these vehicles.